say? What does the monkey say? Hat back?
I think he wants his hat back.
What's your hat? Yay! That's a cute picture. You can take it fast.
Except your arm's in the way.
You take it fast.
Say, I'm videoing, Mommy.
Oh. Hey, Peyton. Hey. Hi. I like your hat. Mommy put it on? Thank you. Put it on your head? Put it on Mr. Tiger? You gonna put it it's not a scarf. Here, let's put it on this side.